Welcome to Network Virtualization Lab. In this lab we will be using two virtual LANs having two switches interconnected with a broadcast link. For this I will be using Cisco packet tracer. So here I will be using Cisco 2960 switch, which is capable of working in layer 2 and layer 3. I will connect each switch with 4 PCs and will connect each PCs to the switch with a fast Ethernet wire and interconnect the switches with a broadcast link. So this is our final connections for this part. Now I will rename upper 4 PCs in VLAN 10 and lower 4 PCs in VLAN 20 and set the upper 4 PCs IP addresses from 192.168.10.11 to 14 and lower 4 PCs in the range 192.168.10.21 to 24. Now I will check the VLAN's connectivity. Now I will ping from host 11 in VLAN 10 to all other PCs. So as you can see, there is a reply from host 12. Now I will try to ping host 21 in VLAN 20 and as you can see, there is no reply. Now I will ping host 14 and there is a reply. And host 13 is also sending replies. So our VLAN 10 hosts are sending replies, whereas hosts in VLAN 20 are not able to send replies. Now I will try ping from host 23 to all other hosts in this network. I will ping host 14, but there is no replies. We can also simulate this using broadcast messages in Cisco packet tracer. I will send an ICMP packet from host 21 to host 23 and it is clearly visible from here that the broadcast messages are sent to all the hosts in this network. I will configure the switches for reducing the traffic by defining proper VLANs. That is, I will set the respective ports to the respective VLANs. I will define VLAN 10 here and name it as VLAN_10 and will select interface interface 1 from switch 0 and set this port to access VLAN 10. Similarly, I will do the same steps for second port and will end the configuration here. Now as you can see, port 1 and port 2 are allocated to VLAN 10. Now I will select switch 2 and define VLAN 10 in this also. I am selecting port 1 for VLAN 10 and enable this port to access VLAN 10. Similarly, we will follow the same step for port 2. Ending this session. And as you can see here, 2 ports from switch pool are selected for VLAN 10. Now I will program the broadcast link for trunking. on both the switches, and I am going to allow here trunking for all the VLANs defined in this network. Now I will check the ping again to verify the connectivity within VLAN 10. Now I will follow the same steps earlier to set up the VLAN 20 for other 4 ports from the 2 switches. So as you can see here, the switch 0 is configured for VLAN 10 and 20. Now I will follow the same steps for switch 2. And as you can see, switch 2 is also configured for VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Now I will try to ping from host 21. Now I will simulate the ICMP packet tracing from host 11 to host 14. As you can see from here, the traffic is 50% reduced due to defining VLANs through switch with trunking. And I will simulate the ICMP packet tracing from host 21 to host 23. So in this way, two virtual LANs can be configured using programmable switches, which drastically narrow down the network traffic.